man, this is not a food festival. Like, where's all the food at?
I see a burger truck over there, and I think there's like a something pizza over there.
I'm trying to eat healthy these days.
Wait, look at that line. I don't know what it is, but it looks like it's moving.
Oh man, this line's moving pretty fast. Must be just some type of fast food.
Oh look, it's a poke truck.
Sunshine Poke time.
Can I get a poke bowls?
Wow, it only took a minute for them to cook this.
Well, it's like healthy food, but can be prepared fast, right?